If you charge a slide and scale in your private practice, you can apply this in Kiku in 2 different ways. When you set up your account, you'll be asked to input your standard session rate in the My Services section of your practice settings. Input your highest rates here. To apply a reduced rate for a particular client, go to your My Clients list. Open the client record and scroll down to the Client Discount section. Here you can input or amend the client discount. The amount entered here will be deducted from your standard session rate. Please note that this fee change will only be applied to bookings you add into your diary after saving the discount and won't update the fee for sessions that are already in your diary. You can view the appointment fee and any discount that's been applied in the Payment Information section of the Appointment Details page. If you want to change the fee for existing bookings in the diary or need to charge a higher rate for a given client, you can do so via the diary. Open the appointment you want to amend and click on the Edit Appointment button. Here you can edit the session fee and discount amount. This change can be applied to this one appointment or to all future bookings in the series. Click Update to apply the new session fee and you're all sorted.